Digital marketing has been gaining more and more traction in recent years due to the increasing number of people using the internet and digital devices to make purchasing decisions. However, it is unlikely that digital marketing will completely replace traditional marketing methods. Both digital and traditional marketing have their own strengths and weaknesses, and each can be effective in reaching different audiences and achieving different marketing goals. For example, while digital marketing may be more effective in reaching younger, tech-savvy audiences, traditional marketing methods such as print ads, billboards, and radio or TV commercials may be more effective in reaching older or less tech-savvy audiences. Furthermore, while digital marketing offers the advantage of being able to track and measure the effectiveness of marketing campaigns in real time, traditional marketing methods can still be valuable for building brand recognition and awareness, as well as creating a personal connection with customers through face-to-face interactions and experimental marketing events. In summary, while digital marketing is certainly becoming increasingly important, it is unlikely to completely replace traditional marketing methods. Instead, the two will likely continue to coexist and be used in combination to create effective marketing strategies.